Hey everybody, welcome to BKT Outdoors. I've got a new little fun toy to play with. This is a grill. I know you're thinking, what did he find now? Well, this little guy comes with instructions on how to set it up. I don't really pay attention to those as usual. Try and figure it out myself. But it's a nice little lay flat. It does come with gloves, which are soaking wet because believe it or not, out here in the desert, it does rain. We're out at deer camp right now in eastern Washington. Comes with a little set of tongs. You can also use it to pick up the grate. So let's set this thing up. Oh, there's one more thing in here. It is all wet. It's all right. I've got briquettes in the chimney ready to set this thing going. So it is called Odo Land. These are the sides. And got to put these in first. Everything has its place, all little slots and everything. I take this guy and set it in here. Oh, hooks down. And then this guy slides in like so. And now I've got a little hibachi style grill that I can take this, toss it on top, throw some brats on there, cook on it, which I'm gonna do. So let me give you a close up first before I put the briquettes in and throw the brats on, so you can kind of see what it looks like up close. So you take the grate off. This just slides in and out. Goes right in the hole there. Real simple, really simple. I cannot wait to try it out and see how it goes. All right, let's throw the briquettes on. Hopefully I don't knock it off of here. It's kind of precariously perched on here for added fire protection. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, let's get some brats on here. Perfect for deer camp. All right, let's see how it does. All right, well, the true test is trying it out. Works like a champ. All right, let's talk about pros and cons with this. One of the pros is it's definitely easy, lightweight. It just folds up nice, puts together nice. One of the downsides to it, you can kind of see here that it's got a little bit of a bow on this side. If we come over here, it's sticking up a little bit right there. So once it heats up, it does flex a little bit, but overall, it's pretty awesome. I am really happy with it. I think I will probably use it again and again and again while I'm out in the woods, maybe even at, like a camping trip or uh, tailgating, something like that. Lightweight, easy to maneuver around. So there you have it. One of the things that I also didn't like was these are considered tongs that come with it. And the only thing I've found they're good for is poking into the grate and picking it up. That's about it. So I used my other little camping tongs because I tried these and one of those rods hit the ground. Not real awesome. However, they're still useful, and you can use it as like a little fire poker, you know, to move logs around if you're going to use it as a fire pit, move briquettes around. But if you're going to cook on it, get some tongs or a spatula, you can do it that way. Anyway, I will put my links below. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Until next time, get outdoors.